7.4 exercise. We are discussing first question. NC8 is equal to NC2. Then we have to find out NC2. Here I will use a simple property, direct property, that NCA is equal to NCB. This implies A equal to B or A plus B is equal to N. Means either A and B are equal or addition of A and B is equal to N. Here, first thing is not possible because A cannot be equal to 2. So second part, that is A plus B is equal to N. So A plus 2 is equal to N. So N equal to N. Once I have a value of N, then it is very easy to find out NC2. It means 10C2. So 10 factorial, 10 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This is the formula, NCR formula. Alright, formula I already provided in introduction. So 10 factorial, this is 8 factorial into 2 factorial. Now you know how to simplify. 1 to 8 will get cancelled. So 9 to 10 and the answer is 45. If you know NCR formula, then the 7.4 is not difficult at all. Question number 2. 2NC3 H2 NC3 ratio of H2 is equal to 12 H2 1. Then find out value of N. So let us simplify. You are familiar with the formula. So first of all I am writing in a direct form 2NC3 upon NC3 ratio of H2 is equal to 12. 12 upon 1 is 12. Now formula, apply formula in the numerator. 2n factorial upon 2n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial upon n factorial n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Now I can cancel this 3 factorial from numerator and denominator. Then the remaining thing is this part. Now as you know, factorial I can split. How we can split? 2n minus 1 means 1 less, 2n minus 2 and 2n minus 3 factorial. If you compare these two, 2n factorial is more, so I convert into this part, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 factorial. And 2n minus 3 factorial is already there, so this two will get cancelled. This we already applied in permutation also. Once again, in the denominator, n minus 1, I am talking about n factorial. How I can express? N, 1 less n minus 1, 2 less n minus 2, 3 less n minus 3 factorial. Because I want to cancel this n minus 3 factorial. So these two will get cancelled now. Remaining thing is n minus 1, n minus 2. So here 2n in the numerator, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2. So 2 have been in common. From the denominator, same only n minus 1, n minus 2. N cancel, n minus 1 also cancel. Just it is a simplification. Then remaining thing is 2n minus 1 upon n minus 2. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. Simplify, n equal to 5. So this is the solution of question number 2. Quite simple. Alright. Now second sum that you have to practice, that is for your homework. Copy some it is. Okay, exercise 7.4. Question number 3. Question is, how many chords can be drawn through 21 point on a circle. I want to find out how many chords are possible. If we select 21 point on the circle, if here in front of you, please consider as a circle. I know this is not exactly a circle, but please consider it. A, B, C, D. These are few points. I am not writing all 21, otherwise it will be very congested. Okay, so here, using this 21 point, I want to form a chord. Now, you know that if you want to form a chord, then you require two endpoints. Alright, either AG, you may take AI, you may take BH, you may take CI. Alright, I think this much is enough to explain you. Now, if you observe, if I take AG or GA, it represents the same chord. So definitely order is not important. So here, this is the question of combination. Why I am explaining this? Because in the exam, they will not tell you, this is from exercise 7.4. You have to decide whether order is important or not. But normal clue is this: when it is a geometrical problem, preparing a triangle, preparing a chord, definitely it is a combination. Okay. Now, in how many ways you can select? Now, some is very easy. 21 C2, because 21 points are there, and I want to select only 2 points out of 21. Then, in how many ways you can select? 21 factorial, 21 minus 2 into 2 factorial, 21 upon 19 factorial into 2 factorial, and our final answer is 2 by 0. Alright, so quite simple, not difficult. Next question. Question is very long. I am trying to simplify in most simple way. Let us see what is the question. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red ball, 6 red ball, alright, 6 red ball, 5 white ball, 5 white ball, and 5 blue ball. 5 blue ball. Alright, if each selection consists 3 balls of each color, I have 6 red, 5 white, 5 blue ball. But whenever you select 9 balls, condition is simple. 3 balls should be of red color, 3 balls should be of white color, and 3 balls should be of blue color. Alright, then in how many ways you can select? So let us see. I have a 6 red ball. In how many ways I can select? 3 out of 6. So 6C3. Now into. Please be careful, because total we have to select 9 balls. This is just a 3 into 5C3. That is a white ball. Into 5C3. That is a blue ball. I repeat, total should be 9. Till then we have to multiply. Alright, this here there is no addition, because in one stroke I want to select 9 balls. So experiment will get over when all the 9 balls are selected step by step. Red ball, 3 white ball, 3 blue ball, and simplify, you will get 2000. Answer is 2000. Once again you can see, order is not important. Out of 6 red ball you can select any 3. All objects are same. So which is coming first, that is not important. Next is very interesting. Since just now IPL is going on, so this you will find it more interesting. Question number 7. in how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11? You know that there are 11 members in a cricket team. Alright, we are not talking about the 12th man, I am talking about all the players on the ground. From 17 players, alright, total 17 players they have, and out of 17, they want to form a 11 team, in which only 5 players can bowl. Alright, there are 17 players, yes, of course, but out of 17, they have only 5 bowlers. So you can see here 5 bowlers that I separated. Okay. If each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 3 bowlers. So when you are going for the match, this is the requirement, exactly 4 bowlers, not more than 4 and not less than 4. I cannot select 3, I cannot select 5. Okay, so total 17 members are there, and I bifurcate into 2 formats. 5 bowlers are there, and remaining are other. Other in the sense, they may be all-rounder, they may be a wicket keeper, it may be a batsman. Batsman to hova જોઈએ, simple. Okay, now in 11 team, if you are reserving 4 seats for the bowler, then the remaining members are 7. Alright, 4 bowlers you already selected. Means remaining 7 members you have to select out of these others. Alright, out of these 5 bowlers I will select 4. Alright, out of 5 bowlers I will select 4. And remaining 7 members I will select from others. So this is the bifurcation. Once again you can see till when the 11 member will be selected, my selection will be over, not before that. So once again it is a multiplication. Simplify, answer is 3960. Alright, now I am not going into that simple calculation that you know, because that I told calculated over here also. So you can see how interesting questions are. Selection means combination.